So really quickly, I'm going to show you how to make a quiz with AI. So let's say that you're a teacher or a professor and you want to generate a quiz for your students. I'm going to show you right here. It's only going to take a few seconds. We're going to go through and use the OpenAI Playground, and we're going to give it this text prompt, and we're just going to say, hey, can you build a 10-question multiple choice quiz for me on the information contained in this Wikipedia page on artificial intelligence? And we are going to have it right now. So it went and hit this Wikipedia page, and then it said, okay, what is AI? First question, what are some of the benefits? What are the following branches? Just all these questions right here. And if we didn't get all the questions, you see we're only up to question 6. We just hit submit again. On the side, tweak your parameters accordingly. I like to change this one, and temperature is good, and then best of is good. And we have all of these quiz questions now, and if we don't like them, we can just go through here. If we read through them and that is not acceptable, which sometimes that does happen, we can just go through, hit this again, and push it through. So we're waiting here to see if this will push out another quiz here. So it's working. It takes a few seconds. You only have a certain rate limit here. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's about 10 requests per minute. And yeah, we have some true or false, multiple choice. We have a variety of questions. So this can just generate for you infinite quizzes. So you can have different ones based off a variety of questions that are auto-generated by the AI. The next thing I'm going to ask it to do is to build a 20-question test with a comprehensive review and study guide on the information contained in that Wikipedia page on AI. So we're going to see if it will do that. So what we're looking for is 20 questions, and then we are looking for at the end here a comprehensive review guide. And so it looks like we just got the questions, and we do have some questions here. Now I'm going to make a specific here. I'm going to request that it make a 20-question test at the 7th grade level. Let's say that you're trying to teach middle school technology or something like that, computer science, and you want to convey basic information at that level, but you don't want to go to a college level, and this is not a coding class. Okay, so we got our 20-question test. We do have some answers here, pretty cool. Now we have some historical context here, just a variety of questions, but then at the bottom of this, I actually just asked it this. I added some spaces and said, can you make me a study guide for that test? And then it spit out the study guide, where it is now breaking that down in kind of slightly different language. We will have to kind of parse this out so that way it is not a big clump of text. But overall, we have a study guide and we have a test. And all of this took about 3 minutes for me to show you, explain the whole deal. All you have to do is go talk to the test, check out OpenAI.com, and if this video was helpful to you, please go ahead and throw a like on this video, subscribe for more content like this, and I hope this is helpful. Have a good one.